Okay, yeah, that looks good. No, 2,899.
We can go here.
But we're going here. We're going here. We're going. Jump. I don't care.
Wait,
Why?
Why?
We're landing here. Land here if you guys want.
Seriously?
No, you guys.
Why?
No, I'm going for the fort one. It's very close. It's so close here. You can take this. You can push sweaty then.
Then people will be over there.
There won't be many loot here. And might be people here too.
I don't care. I'm going for the risk.
Seriously, Ayan, if you die, then we're screwed.
Don't land sweaty. Land Fort Crumpet. This is Fort Crumpet.
Yeah, I know.
See,
Fort
no one
Crumpet or whatever
landed.
then.
No one landed here.
Oh, I got a blue AR as my first ever gun.
Yeah,
And
we should not land Fort Crumpet, right? We should not land Fort Crumpet, right?
And I got a bolt.
Yeah, see, good loot.
I don't want a bolt. That doesn't do anything in endgame. What?
I got chop splashes. My loot's so garbage.
Guys, I have a mini.
My loot's actually garbage.
Okay, one. Oh my gosh, SMG. Oh yeah, I'll keep the SMG. I'll keep it. It's a blue one.
Hunting. This loot's not that good.
But like, it's better than us dying and initially. I just need a shotgun right now.
I just have a great tack.
We need
I
to
have no
open up.
shotgun. I have a blue SMG. Oh, we have zone. Let's go.
See,
Okay, that's good.
I am good luck with zone. I know where the zone goes.
Okay, ooh, great hack. Finally, at
There's
least.
so much brick here.
Guys, go!
Yeah.
You want to know my loot?
What?
It's okay. Blue tap, 4 peppers, green SMG, 2 chuck splashes, 3 minions.
Wait, you went to that boat without telling us, bro.
That's what I said.
That's the platoon.
Yeah, that's the platoon.
That's the platoon. You didn't know that? That's what it's called.
Oh god, I thought something. That was something else. You guys supplied up and everything, bro.
Yeah, that's what. Oh, let's go.
Bro, can you give me something? I have nothing.
There's a
I
big
just have a
pot,
great
there's
tack.
medkits, there's a lot of
I just got a-
barrels. There's so much stuff.
Wait, why
I
you
just
guys
have a great
leaving?
tack, a green SMG, and that stuff. So.
Don't leave
And
me.
this,
Does that give like a supply drop or anything?
No, of course no. No, there's only one. Oh man, please. No.
Ayan, could you come? Could someone come to me right now?
Guys, I have 4 peppers, 4.
Okay, nice. Save that for endgame. Save that for endgame. That'll be so crucial. No, basically, if you want to run really fast.
That's not the point. You can use it for chopping.
hey, get the boat and let's go to Orange.
No, I'm coming to you guys. We can use that to go to that ship.
They're minis, they're minis.
Oh, I'm going to carry those minis. I'm going to carry those minis.
Okay, fine, you carry.
They turned out to be so crucial in that endgame.
Trust me, these peppers are going to be crucial also. Wait and see.
I have
Come,
four,
go to the ship in front of us. Go to that ship in front of us.
Okay, can we go here first? We'll go here.
Why, you want the trident?
No. I'm saying for you guys. You guys go there.
I mean, the trident is right there.
Yeah, I know, but you guys go here, form the mask.
You get the trident.
No, I don't want the
It's really
trident.
sick.
I'm not gonna like. This is arena, so no fooling.
He
around.
literally built a cone over me.
I didn't build a phone.
Not you. Broadway. Oh gosh, this game is so bad.
There's so much mats here. Look at all these mats.
I'm going for this chest.
Bro, Ion knows the whole map so good.
Oh my gosh, a purple log from a normal chest.
What did I
How do
tell
you
you
guys
guys?
get the best loot?
I told
You
you
can
guys.
take my blue AR.
What did I say? I tell you guys to land here, you don't land here. You say no, it's so
I have
fast,
chug
it's
splashes.
fast.
I have chug splashes. I'm saving that for endgame.
I can carry. I have already.
No, I'm
have
saving that.
Wait, look at that.
It's, even I have to.
Always
You have
listen-
minis also.
Always listen to me. See, I told you we should land. We should go here. You guys are like, no. Why should we go here? Let's go to that boat. The boat did not give us the orb. This island did.
Well, you already got an orb.
Yeah, but still,
That's true.
I usually I would give it to someone. Because if I should not like the orb so much.
Come, let's go to the boat over here.
Yeah, take the boat. Take the boat, guys.
I think this gives us a supply drop. Yeah, I feel like this gives us a
It
supply
doesn't.
drop. Are you sure?
Alright, get on. Oh my god.
I am. More minis. I have
We
6
can-
minis
hello,
now.
We can. There are 2 boats here. There are 1 boat here, so we can like.
I have 6 minis and 2 chug splashes. I'm chilling. If anyone finds a big pot, give it to me.
I'm going to fish.
I'm trying to get like a good amount of mats, so like,
Let all of us use our own boat.
No.
oh my god.
Ah!
Ah! What the hell?
Oh my god. Can we use the chuck splashes?
Wait, Ayan, get on my boat. Ayan, get on my boat.
We need to use chuck splashes. Like we need.
Wait for me!
Aryan,
Oh, there's another boat here.
I can't drive well, man. Come, we all go together.
go to that other boat.
But then we
I
all
have
could
it.
get lasered when we're all in one boat.
There's just no need to look for the people. Just go somewhere else where we can farm up on mats.
Let's go
This
here,
place
guys.
looks pretty good.
Extra loot, guys. Extra loot here. We can go here.
Where?
That Loki's lighthouse. Loki's lighthouse.
Try the
Maybe it's
whirlpool
looted.
boat. Try the whirlpool boat.
No, it
I don't
doesn't.
think so.
Look, the whirlpool's gone.
Yeah, they've disabled whirlpool, by the dude.
That shark just ate my fishing rod. Who does that?
Bro, we can use 2 of my chug splashes. Save Rodney chug splashes for them.
Wait, who shot?
Ayan. I'm just getting this stone. I need some mats. Oh, that's a
Oh
fishing
god, this
spot.
boat took like 8 damage off me.
Wow.
Dude, this
Thank
game's
you.
broken sometimes. I swear this game gets broke. I'm going to go to Loki's
The
lighthouse and
shark
loot.
ate me. What do you mean? The shark ate me for 30 damage.
Dude, sharks are quite broken. It ate me for like 10 damage. That
Oh,
shark.
extra chuck splashes, guys. Extra chuck splashes.
Oh, I'll carry that. I'll
I
carry
am
that.
actual good luck. I'm such a good luck to the trio.
Okay, you get that and I'm coming to you. I'm going to loot this Loki's lighthouse. Then we can use it. Let me drink 1 mini. I found more minis over here. Someone carried. Ayan, get these extra minis for yourself in endgame. If you get lasered or anything happens to you.
I have 6.
I don't have minis.
If
I'm
you guys
carrying
have,
sardines.
No, I'm breaking it down. I'm breaking it down, Aryan. I'm breaking it
Don't.
down.
No, wait. I'm here. I'm looting.
No,
Wait
you
1
just
minute.
Break it down. Just come down.
Okay, fine. Just wait for like 2 minutes. I'm coming.
You're
Extra
going up.
minis here.
I'm telling you to go down. Okay, you're going down.
Guys, extra minis.
I am down. It's fine.
Oh, there's a blue bird.
Hopefully we have zone. I don't think we have zone.
Oh, can I have the big one?
Oh, we have zone.
Let's go.
Well, I am good luck. I'm actual good luck.
Yeah, I swear to God.
Dude, I swear, dude. Honestly, this is
I don't
amazing.
want the chuck splashes.
Ayan, did you use your chug splashes on your own?
No, I had drank a big pot.
Okay, then where are those chug splashes which you found?
It's in the house.
Which house? Okay,
The big
I'll
house.
carry it then. Leave it. I'm gonna carry it for endgame.
I
If you
just
need
have
it-
like 132 metal. I have max on wood and
My
wood.
max-
I'm
my
carrying
max
this
is
green tag. I'm carrying this green tag. I'm gonna
Oh,
say
I don't
I
like
have
that.
4.
They do so much damage. They got me killed last game.
I know. I have a green tack, a blue SMG, a purple log, 4 chug
Guys,
splashes,
I'll
and
break
6 minis.
Okay,
I have a
stop.
green charge, green
much-
SMG, blue AR,
Who
4
doesn't
chuck
have max
and
bricks? There's so much
Four
brick here in
sardines.
Thailand.
I have max brick and max wood. I have max brick and
yeah, I
max
just
wood.
need metal.
Wait, everyone
Even
has
me.
max brick? Everyone has max brick?
Yeah, and max wood. And max wood.
I have max wood too.
we could
just
just
farming
chill over here on this hill. We can just chill on this hill.
Yeah, I have like 500
We might get next zone too. I think we might get next zone too.
We have 500 bricks.
I don't
though,
think so.
In this island, we have 500.
Yeah, we will, we
bricks in
will.
this island.
It's
Oh,
usually a
Yeah.
water zone in these.
Yeah, true.
And we have so much extra stuff here. Look
We
at
have
this.
extra mats. We have so much extra mats.
Actually, I'll carry these bandages.
we have oh blue SMG. We have extra minis here too.
Roger, carry those minis instead of a sniper. You don't need snipers in end games.
I don't have a sniper.
Then really?
Yeah, I do have a
Nice.
green charge, blue SMG, blue AR,
You know
4
what's my...
chug flashes and 4 sardines.
You wanna know my loot? Purple AUG, blue tac, 6 minis, 4 chilies, 1 flopper.
Mine is green tack, purple AUG, 10 bandages, 4 chug splashes, 6
God,
minis.
this trident looks so good.
No, but like, dude, our healables are insane for this game. Our
Look at mine,
healables
they're
are
knives.
stuck.
Look at mine. Rajvi, look at mine. Mine is literally knives. So clean.
No, you can use this. You can use the trident with your skin because it's golden as well. Or you can use that clean cut, that Midas's pickaxe. 1 minute, I'm coming back. Okay,
What do you keep doing? You keep going like every 2 minutes.
Okay.
just my headset's coming off. That's the thing.
How do your headset, your earphones
Guys,
fall
I'm
off, the
going here.
headphones
I'm
fall
going
off?
here.
No.
No, no, no,
Okay,
no, no.
fine.
Oh, come on. I don't.
Get zone. We don't get zone.
We don't.
Good, we have a good position here.
Okay, you guys
It's
stay
fine,
there. You guys
dude.
stay there. You guys stay there. Don't worry.
Imagine if there are people over there then.
Okay, yeah, fine.
Just chill here. Aryan, you don't have to go for loot all the time, dude.
Trust me, man. I know what
Okay.
I'm doing.
Okay.
Okay, then I need some brick, extra brick.
Yeah,
Going here for the
plenty
metal.
of it.
There's a lot of metal.
We
I
can
got
get
it.
metal. We can get metal.
No, we have enough mats. I have.
Come on, give
Max.
us zone.
Yes, sir. I got. Okay, I have a harpoon, guys. Remember, there's a fishing.
Okay,
there's a
just come
flopper
back.
here.
Come back here. There are plenty of fishing spots.
Yeah,
You can
yeah,
fish
yeah.
here.
I marked a flopper in this house. Okay, remember that.
I can't
I
carry
see.
it.
No, just remember.
Come on, just give us. This game should give us zone when we're chilling here.
Then this is an actual good game. We can get height, we can laser people out of the sky, and we can do something.
Okay, I
Come
might
on.
get slowfish. I got there's three. Okay, there are 2 floppers here, 3 floppers. Come on,
We should never base up. We should never base up.
Aryan,
Never
come
base
back.
up.
Oh
That's
my
fine,
God.
he's coming.
What do you mean? I got 4 floppers. I have 4 floppers now.
Okay, nice. Now
Okay.
come back to us.
No, I need
Come
to
on,
get
zone,
zone. Go
come
back
on.
to that.
Give us zone.
We won't get zone. We won't get zone.
Oh
We
my
have
God.
zone.
Okay, sure.
Aryan.
My house also has zone. My house also has zone. Okay. My point
Yes,
is
sir.
also. We can get.
Yeah,
I-
but like,
This is
This is-
better. This is
Make a
better. We
base,
will get
make a
next
base,
zone
make a
too.
base.
We will get next zone too.
Make a small zone. No, I don't think so. But
We'll
make a
get like
small-
placement points as well.
Dude, don't think, dude. We will get next zone. Look, we're right here in the island.
Guys, I'm getting sniped.
Aryan,
there's gonna
come back
be
to us. There will be people over there now. There will be people
Aryan.
rotating. Just come back.
Calm down.
Yawn,
You guys need to calm
please.
down.
Oh my.
Okay, wait. Let me get
Yawn,
my
don't.
flop, and then I'll go. Yeah, flop.
Just
flop.
come.
Oh, AR ammo.
We have healables and ammo for everything.
Or you never know. We might need that extra.
Wait, should I
18
keep
ammo.
chug splashes first or bandages first?
Chuck splashes? of
Chug
course.
splashes. I can carry chug splashes too. I can use them.
No, we have total of 8. How are we not getting placement points? It's 18 people.
There must be
top
like
eight.
some solo or duos.
Yeah, it must
It
be
is.
Yeah, it's top 8. It should be top 8, not
Yeah,
20
it's top
people
8
alive.
actually. It has okay. Let's go.
Yeah, fine,
Oh
yeah,
my
got
God.
it.
Get next zone too. We should base up
Imagine.
now.
No, I
We have
don't
lot
feel
of
like we
brick.
should base up.
We have 500 brick by the way in this island. So
Yeah, there's enough mats everywhere.
Yeah, there's mats
guys
everywhere. There's
scout,
extra
guys
minis
scout,
and
guys
everything.
scout, guys scout.
Yeah, we have
Yeah,
mats,
but
we have
don't
every.
stand still. Don't stand still though. People
Yeah,
can
we have
snipe.
mats, we have, wait 1 minute.
We have everything.
We have
there's
mats, we have
there's a
loot.
supply drop right behind us.
And above us, next like. I'm gonna.
Yeah,
go
we can get a pad.
Don't break it.
Who's shooting?
gosh.
No, don't break
Ayan,
it.
Ayan. It's fine, dude. Let it come down on its own. You'll
Yeah.
attract people towards
No
us.
hurry. Aryan, come on. Sometimes you should listen to us too.
Yeah, I know, but then I trust my gut. Trust me.
Okay, fine.
You know, okay. How
That's
about
fine.
all of us will get a launch pad? This will be so amazing, right?
Ayan, you already have one launch pad. Then give me and Rodri.
Yeah,
will
Aryan,
open
can
the-
you come back to our island now?
Yeah, of course.
No, let him get that supply
Oh, I
drop.
got a purple
There
sniper.
people will be right behind you.
Yeah, I know.
Dude, just come.
Because zone's already coming in. People will be like
Okay,
so
stop
behind
shouting.
you.
Stop shouting.
Come, Rodri, should we
Okay,
go for the
sure.
supply drop?
Who wants to
I'll get it.
Someone take my launch pad if they want.
I can take this pad.
I got it. I'll take the pad.
Oh,
I'll
go,
give
go,
you
go.
guys a pad anyway. Stop fighting. I'll give you guys a pad.
I already got a pad.
So
Orin can keep it.
who doesn't
Yeah.
have a pad? Okay.
I don't have a pad.
Rajvi, here, take.
I have a
I
pad.
have a pad.
already have a pad. I already have a
Okay,
pad.
then
Where's
Aryan,
that stone?
give me the pad then. Aryan.
I don't have a pad. I don't have a pad.
Okay. Guys,
I never-
people
okay.
here. Beam.
Leave them. We can move to next zone.
I have 3
They have to move.
Okay, let's go zone.
I think the people. Yeah, the people basing up over there.
Leave them. Ion, you're wasting your ammo.
I have 300 ammo, and they're pushing us by the way. Okay, just want to say that.
Nice.
The people basing up over there.
Okay,
Let's
let's go.
swim into middle.
Let's go here and base up. Go
No.
there.
We'll just base up in the water. It's fine.
Yeah, we can base up over
I
here
want
because
to go shop nearby.
if we do base up on that area, there are people behind it, so they can break us down easily, or
Okay,
like start spamming
I'm
us.
gonna make a 1 by 1.
1 minute, I have to get this brick. Okay. Ion, dude, you don't need to build so high.
Yeah.
This is for one person, please come on. Okay, how about stand here? Yeah.
Yeah, we got top 4.
Okay, I can't see the cone by the way.
It's fine, leave it. We have zone, we have three paths, we win, and we have healables.
Okay,
We win
can
this game.
Can I see now, please? Let me see for now.
Imagine if we get 2 back-to-back wins.
Yeah, that would be insane. Okay, can I see now, please? Another chance. Okay.
The camping, we had loot this whole game.
Okay, people are fighting like over here. People are fighting here.
Why do I always find someone called Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Tifu, or someone like that and all that?
The fanboy.
This guy's fighting over
Hey,
there.
Aryan, let me go. I'm trying to go there.
We could have some metal, I have 0 metal.
But I have 100.
Okay, come here. I have lots. I have 400. Here.
Oh, okay, just
I'll
like
give
split
you
some.
150. I'll give you 150. 150.
Okay, yeah, just split some.
You want me to
Okay,
charge
yeah,
him? Don't
that's
get a lot
enough.
of marks.
No, do it.
No, Ion,
Ion,
the people shooting us.
Nice, Ion. Don't do that stuff. Don't do that stuff.
I
Never
need
do
to-
that.
Nice. Now we're gonna lose all our match.
Leave them. They have to come to us.
Ion, don't shoot, please.
Okay.
Oh god. Aryan!
Okay, I'm back, chill.
These kids, bro. You shouldn't have done that.
Chill.
Come in.
Build with
These kids are
hard.
annoying. They're not gonna leave us. We have to pad here.
They're sniping.
Ion, don't! If you get
I didn't do anything.
Okay, don't even do anything.
Rodri, chill.
We'll pad late if you want. You want to pad late?
We'll pad here. We'll pad right here. Late.
Aryan, you
I'll
can-
place the pad here. Aryan, don't go on it. Otherwise, you'll pad.
Yeah, we just pad now.
Yeah, pad now. Rodri,
No,
go pad now.
Not now.
Last second.
Yeah, last second exactly. Everyone be ready. Okay, I'm gonna
They
mark.
will laser us from the sky. We have
Go
to
here. We have to go
and
here.
right
Mark.
base.
Go to my marker. Okay.
Go.
Go to my marker.
Go,
going
these
here.
kids. Guys, why are you guys leaving me?
We went to Ion's marker.
No, the mock was here and now I'm gonna get pushed.
Wait, we're done. We'll come to you. We can come to you.
Guys, wow, you're going for the supply drop, really?
The guys.
I'm gonna supply.
Stop going for the supply drop. There's three people on me.
Where are you?
Oh, I knocked one. I knocked one though. Go.
We did go for loot.
You went for the supply drop. Go finish my kill. They're rezzing.
There's more people.
They're literally rezzing at my where I was.
Dude, Ion, there are kids coming to you.
Yeah, don't worry.
I literally went to the marker and you guys didn't be there. Instead you went for the...
I have 2 pads. I have pads. I need some mats.
I'm in hard bound.
Ion barely has any mats to give him some.
I have barely enough mats.
Dude, I need somebody should get my kill, or it's gonna be res. You have to go to zone. You have zone. You can just go.
We have pads. Yeah, we have pads.
We have 2 pads, right? How many pads you have, Aryan? You should have 2.
2 pads.
But Aryan, don't come close to me. Come close to me.
Eat one chili, eat one chili, eat one chili, eat
Give me one.
chili.
Give me one.
Both of you
Aryan,
eat
give me a pad.
chili.
Aryan, give me a
Eat
pad.
chili.
Aryan, give me a pad. Aryan, give me a pad.
Take.
Eat a chili. Eat a chili, and then we go.
Go.
Oh shit! No, what?
No. Place the pad. Oh my god. Low pad, you're gonna get lasered. Oh no.
It's okay. It's
I have
okay.
to heal up.
Aryan, there are gonna be a lot of floppers on me. Okay? Remember, don't dress me. Don't dress me. If you want, you can.
You
but,
lit-
like,
Be careful, just keep it pushing. Rest.
no, don't.
Lead.
Please don't.
Don't rest.
I have lot of.
Get some kills, get some kills.
Get top two. Try to get top two.
Don't
Aryan,
go
lot of
back.
floppers. Aryan, I have so many floppers.
No, there's so many people spamming the chat on me.
Don't take attack. You miss every shot of it.
GG. Good match. It's okay. Third place.
Yeah.
Amazing.
But Orin, don't take attack. You literally miss
Oh
every
my
single
gosh,
shot.
we must. Oh my gosh, but
It's okay. We got third position.
fine.
Why are you being so angry? We got third position.
Yeah, but second position we would have gotten 30 hype.